We have a range of incredible facilities and services available for you to enjoy during your stay. If you want to stay active, feel free to use our fitness center. If you need some pampering, we offer amazing massages either en suite or on our terrace. Don't miss our heated swimming pool. It's the perfect spot to soak up some sun and chill out. We also have a variety of table board games available for your amusement at any time during the day. Our restaurant is a must visit. We recommend you try our cuisine because our food is seriously delicious, organic, and will make your taste buds dance with joy. All ingredients come from a 5-kilometer distance and are fresh seasonal farm-to-table produce. We offer a variety of local dishes, a great selection of vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free options to satisfy every taste bud. Our bar offers organic local wine and a wide range of beverages to accompany your meals. Or just unwind on our beautiful terrace and enjoy the stunning views. Make sure to sample our local artisan cocktails. You'll have the opportunity to savor the unique flavors of the area and enjoy truly special drinks. We also want to inform you that we do offer personalized cooking classes. You can cook along with us and explore the local food. If you're interested, just let us know. Also, the area around ELaiolithos is ideal for hiking, cycling, and walking. We're going to inform you during your welcome about all of the choices you have. Expect to feel like a local here. At ELaiolithos, we stay committed to our local traditions and principles while operating as a sustainable hotel. We are affiliated with Ecotourism Greece and practice zero food waste. By feeding unused food to nearby livestock, we are implementing an environmentally conscious approach to encourage sustainability within our food supply chain. Your contribution to our initiatives is greatly appreciated as we strive towards an eco-friendlier future. We appreciate your decision to stay with us, and our ultimate goal is for you to depart feeling calm, revitalized, and re-energized. Please do not hesitate at any moment to reach out to us if you need anything. Lastly, we would like to extend a warm welcome to you on behalf of Helen, the owner, and the entire staff at ELaiolithos.